Cinema for a Cause and Mending Minds and Myths presents Covidian Proxemics. Is social distancing our minds and hearts too? Independent filmmaker and creative explorer Abhishek Ganguly teams up with senior psychology teacher and eminent psychologist Somdatta Banerjee to find out the answers to a constant fear we are living with in this Covidian world. Given the COVID situation we are in, how are you managing your social, personal, and intimate spaces? Covidian Proxemics.
It has been almost 6 months since we have breathed freely. 6 months that we have sacrificed our independence in the hands of this deadly virus, which has caused the unprecedented terror in our lives called COVID-19. But the truth is that we humans are the superior beings who never ever give up on life. Hence, we keep on living in certain altered terms. Just like we need the dark sky to see the glittering of the bright stars, perhaps we needed this social distancing and lockdown to make us respect the gift of nature, which we had taken too much for granted. Another thing social distancing taught us is the need and the necessity of relationships in our lives. We longed to go back to our offices, which for all these years had aroused feelings of resentment in our minds and had been the only cause of Monday blues. More importantly, we rebonded with our families and our old friends with whom we had lost contact in the hub of our daily and regular activities. Even the little ones got well versed with Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, etc., courtesy their online classes. So did the senior citizens, who connected to their friends and families through these platforms. Rather, Zoom meetings have become so convenient in socializing that it will perhaps be an indispensable part of the new normal of our lives. Hence, social distancing was imposed, but socializing didn't stop. Self-discovery was perhaps the best outcome of the COVID times. While enjoying cozy family time, we also nurtured our long-lost hobbies or perhaps tried something new. In the name of increasing immunity, there has been significant lifestyle modification among people, which will sustain even after we defeat COVID. To summarize my feelings, I must say that a lot of dust had accumulated on my book called Life. I was perhaps not finding time to turn the pages, was getting stuck to a single chapter. Now, when I'm getting a lot more time to spend with myself, I have not only picked up the book and cleaned the dust, but I have turned the pages and perhaps started writing a new chapter in my book called Life.
To know more, connect with us. Covidian Proxemics. Watch this unique web series. It is time that you are aware of the spaces around you.